Hello, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this Breville machine, espresso machine. After it comes to me with losing heat really fast and losing pressure too. So I found leak from many spots. This hose I change it, and I change all the O-rings on both boilers and make tuning for the head here. Change the gasket, shower head, and full tuning. Let's test the machine and make a cup of espresso. This is nice, look how it's nice and creamy and tasty too. Thank you for watching.